Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So we just should unlock the device. I just got here the face recognition, and now just we'll make that by using the Muviz Edge, because on this XIAOMI device phone model we have now by default set it the always off display option. So now just enable the application, and here as can you see we got the apply the mirror rain theme. And now just to change this theme, tap here on the AOD screens, and here you can select one from this, for example this theme, and now just tap here to apply, and as can you see this theme is applied. Here by tap on the left down corner on the edit icon, but you can change the colors, the weight of the clock, the theme color. Also in the advanced option you can just change more features, but just when you just tap here to save, you should to pay to get the pack of these customized options. And then just if you want to customize more options, tap here on the right upper corner on the settings, and here tap on the required permissions. Here just you have to be sure that these two sections they are activated. And here you can customize your AOD mode by just show the on your lock screen always while charging, on when you're just listening to music. You can change the screen timeout just by swapping with the left or to the left or to the right side with your finger this white dot. Also like the brightness, and for example we'll make that 90. Also here you can just close on the AOD by double tap or by single tap, for example. We'll change that. So here we can just change the to show the music, to show on the music, to close on the fingerprint, to show the incoming notifications, the music details, and the battery status, for example, always while charging or never. And now we'll just try and see if we change our as can you see we just customize our always on display theme on the XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.